Hey buddy, can you look out what happened to my car? It was running fine but suddenly shone some check engine light and stuck in middle of the road.
Sure, we got the best scanner available in market at My Gadi Master. We can diagnose and repair every car whether it is Maruti or Mercedes. Don't worry, I'll help you here in My Gadi Master.
For your information, I have shown this car to another local workshop but he is unable to repair and authorized workshop estimated too high, and I know as usual you will sort out my car's problem easily and pocket friendly. You never charged me extra unnecessarily.
Hey mate, look at this, we found the issue in your car and we have already sorted this out. Do you know this was very minor fault, happened due to car wash. You must have washed the car at roadside washing center and they really don't have any idea how to wash the engine and you faced the issue.
Oh, that's awesome. I was sure that you'll sort out my problem very quickly and affordable too. You are really my Gadi master.